This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elisha George Nelson. Beach Pad Alert. Experience beachside living at its finest. This cozy, turnkey duplex offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and a 1-car garage. A functional floor plan, great kitchen and tile flooring throughout. No carpets. Soak in sun and take in the salty air with a fully fenced-in yard providing much space and privacy at your own tropical oasis. The Atlantic Ocean is just across A1A. Located nearby great shops, restaurants and schools. Don't miss this opportunity. For more information, review the details below.